Hello, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Travis.
We're two Americans who just moved with our miniature husky, Tabasco, from our home in Texas to the city of Leiden, the Netherlands. We're not quite sure what the future holds for us, but we're excited to share our journey with you.
So today is one of our trips to another town here in the Netherlands. We are heading to the city of Utrecht. So Utrecht has a much more vibrant, cocktail program, which is something that I'm a big fan of. And also it's got a lot more, it's a bigger city, right?
Bigger city, and it seems to be pretty unique because there are two levels of houses and businesses along the canal, which is really interesting too. So I'm excited to see that.
That should be really cool.
Yeah.
So let's go to Utrecht. Train ride was super easy.
And very relaxing. I almost fell asleep like 3 times.
Totally. I saw it. It was a thing. So one of your favorite things that we've ever seen in all of Europe is the Manneken Pis.
I'm obsessed with it. Obsessed with all the costumes, and before we moved here, I was looking up fast food over here, and we found this fry chain called Manneken Pis. So this is my first time trying it. I am super duper excited. Look at all this saucy goodness. We'll report back on how they taste.
Take your first bite.
I'm scared. Oh my god. These are really good. And they always got a little kick to it. It's delicious.
Thumbs up. Would definitely try.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on the fries from Manneken Pis?
Well, it's a really good thing. We don't have one of these in Leiden because it would be a situation where we're like, let's have french fries for dinner 3 times a week. Super good. You got the samurai mayo, super spicy, the curry sauce, the onions, the mayo, everything. It's just super, super good. Highly recommend.
Would you have it again?
Oh, I would definitely have it again.
So this mall we just entered in is super clean, super nice. Tons of really cool stores here.
It looks like almost brand new. It's very modern, very busy for Saturday, which is to be expected.
Yep. There's literally no one here wearing masks, which is kind of crazy.
Very strange. And later we will show you one of the main reasons we wanted to stop by here today.
Yeah, we're pretty excited. We just found one of the cool spots here that there's parts of the city that's actually in 2 levels. It used to be that people lived down here, but really now it's all like bars and restaurants and things like that.
Yeah. There's some residential, but it's mostly looks like restaurants and bars. But it's absolutely gorgeous. We've seen a lot of kayaks and boats going by so far. It's feeling very nice and breezy down here.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Just see people having their day and cruising along, doing their thing. People on the other side of the canal just having their things, and then randomly you'll see a duck just hanging out and doing his little thing here. Little buddy.
Super cute.
the pizza. Tell me how good the pizza is.
It's breathtakingly delicious. Our favorite pizza place so far is the Pizza Bakers in Leiden, and this kicks them to the curb. Sorry. So good.
I just had some of the sliced meat here. It's super like fatty in the best way. It coats the tongue. It's just so good. We just went to some really cool places. And what are your thoughts?
I am full of cocktails and full of delicious food.
Yeah, the tasting was amazing. The cocktails were really good. This is definitely a place that we will have to come visit again. As promised earlier, we are going to the thing that we most are excited about for being at the mall here today.
It's at the gallery in Houston, and I hate it.
You used to work in the gallery. So
Still hate it.
we're gonna go get some Asian food staples that we need to cook some really fun meals back home.
And we already took a little preview of the shop, and it looks like they have everything we need.
Oh, I'm so excited. We just made it back to Leiden after our train trip on the way back from Utrecht.
I was completely exhausted and ready to see our pup.
Absolutely, I'm ready to see that little husky face. But of all the things we did today, I want to hear your rating. First off, what did you think of the Manneken Pis fries?
Oh, those were absolutely delicious.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Okay.
There's so many more sauces.
Number 2, the Rum Club.
Oh, for sure. That was definitely geared more towards you.
Absolutely. I had a ball. I would absolutely do the Rum Club again.
Yes, absolutely.
Ruby Rose.
Oh, so aesthetically pleasing. Everything I love. More wine focused rather than cocktail focused, which is fine for me, but I know you prefer something a little bit stiffer of a drink.
Sure. But it was still a beautiful venue.
Yes.
The food was amazing.
The platter we got, what was it, €17
Per person, yeah.
per person. But the meats, the cheeses, the pizza.
Oh, the pizza. It was so
So
chewy.
good.
Oh, so good.
Yeah.
And then finally, what did you think of the Asian grocer that we went to?
A lot more variety. I know there's a few here in Leiden, but I felt like the one we went to had the most variety. It was just crazy busy. I think we need to plan our time a little bit more effectively.
My last question is, overall thoughts on Utrecht?
Super beautiful. Although I feel like we didn't get to see a whole lot of the city. Wish we had more time. I'd love to do like an overnight situation to be able to explore a little bit more. I know there's a lot we missed.
Absolutely. It was a beautiful city. It definitely feels a lot bigger than Leiden.
Yeah.
There's a lot more going on. Leiden feels definitely like a university town.
Sure. Yeah, it's more approachable, I think, for living here for the first time.
Sure.
It doesn't feel as overwhelming.
I mean, I would not move it out of the realm of possibility of living in Utrecht.
Yeah.
We saw a wedding going on. There's just definitely a lot more life happening.
Vibrant, for sure.
And I think it's much more of a, less of a town you come and live at while you go to university, more of a town that you live in for a while.
Yeah. So that poses the question to you all. Where should we visit in the Netherlands next?
Yeah, we want to hear from you all. Where should we go? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Go ahead and tell us in the comments where we should go. And thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.
Have a good one. And so don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.